my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I will be preparing for you steamed chicken, the Bahamian way. Let's go. Okay, I have 2 whole fries already cut up and seasoned in this bowl. Yes, and in this pan there is a cup and a half of oil, and it's ready. Okay, now I'm just gonna fry these just halfway, so they're not gonna be fully cooked. I wouldn't advise you to eat these right out of the pan because they are not fully cooked. These are just gonna be halfway cooked. Okay, so I'm just gonna allow them to go for about 3 minutes or so, just until they get a little bit of crust or light brown, golden brown, light brown, but it's not going to be all the way cooked. So I wouldn't advise you to eat these. Lightly brown, yes. All right, just like that. That's ready. Now this method, you can use this for fish, when you're steaming fish, or pork chops, ribs, turkey, whatever type of meat that you're fixing, use this method and I'm sure you will love it. I would link this to the seasoning video so you can see the first step. This is the second step. So I'm just cutting this wing here, putting a slit in this so that it can sit properly in the pan. Just like that. All right, I don't want it sticking up. So I'm just brushing off the herbs that I used to season them with. That was onion, celery, thyme, garlic, all the seasoning. Just brushing them off. These are not fully cooked now, so don't go and eat them. No, they're not ready. There is another process after this. Please. They are still draining. Not fully cooked. So go ahead and make yourself some Bahamian steamed chicken. So I'll be serving this today with some nice. There is the blood. It's not fully cooked. Peas and rice with pork. And beautiful coleslaw. So we're going to be having that today. And of course, my 2 daughters and the husbands and children are coming over. As well as Officer Bain. Inspector Bain, he will be here. He loves his sister cooking. So, and there's my husband, my 12-year-old daughter and I. So you're going to be having some steamed chicken, peas and rice with pork, coleslaw. Everybody loves mommy's coleslaw. Go ahead and work it. This is how we do it in the Bahamas. Steamed chicken. This is a Bahamian favorite. Steam it down. If you don't want to do the frying, you can smother it. Whereas you just add everything to the pan. Just a little bit of water, like about a 1/4 cup of water. Because trust me, once you cover this down, the chicken is going to create its own juices. And that's what you want. You season it up. Put everything in the pan, the herbs, tomato paste, whatever you're going to put on it. Put it in the pan and cover it down. Turn the stove down on low and let it work. You will have some beautiful broth. Oh my word. So I'm just raking everything off, making room for everybody. But these are not fully cooked. Everything is finished. Now the gravy. I use the same pan, and in this pan there is only 1 teaspoon of oil. I don't want a lot of oil, just enough to work these herbs. I've already fried the chicken, so I don't need that much oil. 1 teaspoon. Okay. So I'm not going to use the liquid, just the herbs. That's onion, celery, thyme, all the seasonings, and that's 2 garlic cloves. So I'm going to crush those up and add it in. I would link all of the ingredients in the description box below, so feel free to check it out. Mixing everything up. Now this pan is already seasoned. All of the goodness is at the bottom, so I'm just mixing it in. Next is the tomato paste. I'm going to give this 2 tablespoons of this. This was in the freezer. Keep your tomato paste in the freezer, it lasts longer and it stays fresh. So this is somewhat frozen. Sometimes it turns sour when it's in the refrigerator, so especially if you're not cooking every day, it just doesn't smell right. So I just start keeping it in the freezer. And my thyme, the fresh thyme, that also lasts longer in the freezer as well, so I'm keeping that in the freezer as well. It's up to you. Mix it up. So I'm just going to allow this to go for about a minute. Then I added 2 cups of water. That's all I need. This is going to boil down before adding the chicken. Let it boil. Okay, it's bubbling. All right, now I'm adding the bad boys in. Okay, everything goes in. See all of that residue from the chicken on the paper towel? You don't want that in your you don't want that in your pot. So now I'm basting the chicken, just making sure that everything is coated, getting a touch of it. All of that goodness is all over it. Remember, I'm still bringing the restaurant home now. I am still bringing it home. Still bringing it home. Everybody is coming today again. You know, when you have grown children, it's still hard to get rid of them because they're always here. So everyone is going to get some of this. Bahamian steamed chicken. That's my favorite pot right there. That's the peas and rice right in that pot. This pot never lets me down. Knows how to do it. It is seasoned. So I don't mind what they say about that pot. That pot has the seasonings. Okay, that's going to go for about 10 minutes. It's rolling. This is Bahamian steamed chicken. Now, you don't want to crowd it up with too much liquid. See? That's it. It's rolling. Oh my word. Yes. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. Please share me out. Don't forget to check the description box now. Share me out. Leave a comment. Give me a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.